While HAX is great for text editing, the real power of the system is shown through its blocks engine. To access the blocks menu, click Edit. Then select Blocks if it's not already selected, and you'll see the entire blocks panel. So from here, we can either upload media directly to have it inserted as a block. We can view some popular blocks, hovering over them in order to see a preview of what it'll be. As we add blocks, they'll accumulate in our Recents tab, and we can also expand and see all of the different blocks that exist. It's almost overwhelming how many blocks we support in the system, and it's an ever-expanding universe. A common block to add would definitely be video or anything beyond the initial text blocks. By hitting Filter Content Type, I could type video and see all of the things that could potentially play video. In this case, a media playlist. So from there, I can drag that item into the page, or I can just press the button to insert it wherever is active. Every block that gets inserted in HAX relates back to a sustainable HTML tag. In this case, the media playlist, which has a video player in it. The beauty of the HAX system, though, is that you shouldn't have to look at the HTML, though it's always there to help. If I want to reposition this block, I can grab the drag handle, select the area that I want to drop it into the page, or hover over and just tell it to move up or down one, depending on where I am. When I'm ready, I can hit save, and now that block is there to be presented to our users.